Let's go to dreamland. Come along to the moon's world, full of song. Go. When the stars begin to rise, the moon smiles white and bright. Children paint their sleepy thoughts just before the night. If someone dreams of flying kites in sky so warm and red, the moon turns crimson overhead, right above their bed. Right above their bed. The moon says I change my hue just for dreams that come from you. In your stories I appear, glowing softly, always near. If you dream of oceans deep and dolphins swimming by, the moon turns blue and floats above the waves up in the sky. When you run through forest trails with animals so sweet, the moon turns green and lights the trees beneath your tiny feet. The moon says I shine and gleam inside every child's dream. In the nighttime I'm your guide, watching gently from the sky. Your eyes, the stars are near. The moon will guard you here. Tomorrow night, new dreams will come, and the moon will change to everyone. Now close your eyes, the stars are near. The moon will guard you here. Tomorrow night new dreams will come, and the moon will change to everyone.